Different kind of respiratory minute. Working in respiratory, my whole job is all about maintenance. Keeping the air moving, keeping things stable, making sure everyone is breathing easy. And I've realized my home life is actually about the same exact job. Only the patients are my wife and kids, and the pay is mostly hugs and chaos. My wife is the chief of staff, obviously. She's the one constantly recalibrating our lives. I'll walk in from a shift, and sure, the couch was in one spot, but now it's somewhere else. Or the kitchen's been reorganized for the third time this month. But honestly, it's kind of impressive. It's like she's constantly ventilating the house, keeping it fresh. I've learned that in marriage, you don't need a medical degree to know that when she says we should rearrange the living room, just grab the heavy end of the sofa and breathe through it. And the kids, well, they're the ultimate stress test of my patients. But they're also the best part of the shift. They generate so much energy, it's like they're running on a completely different fuel source. Yeah, they can make a mess, and yeah, sometimes I feel like I'm running a full code in the living room, trying to get everyone fed and get them to go to bed on time. But there's nothing better than after finishing a shift, feeling like they run up to you and just reset your whole day. So I might spend my work hours monitoring oxygen levels, but at home, I'm just trying to keep the vibe 100%. It's a busy, noisy, wild, and messy life, but I wouldn't trade this crew for anything. Now, if you excuse me, I think there's a code upstairs involving spilled milk in the kitchen, and I'm the primary responder. Like, comment, repost, and I'll keep posting content one breath at a time. Thanks, guys.